On May 19, 2008, Jon Lester tossed a no-hitter against the Royals. On Saturday, he almost had another, this time facing one of the most powerful lineups in the majors, the Texas Rangers. Lester struck out a career-high 12 in his last outing and looking good in the first inning. Gets Andrew Jones to strike out. Derek Holland on the hill for the Rangers. Bottom of the second, Mike Lowell will lift one into left field. Controversial, off the top of the ledge, maybe hit a fan. Umpires rule it a homer. 9th home run of the season for Lowell, 1-0 Boston. Top of the 4th, more from Lester. Strikes out the All-Stars Ian Kinsler and Michael Young. Then Andrew Jones again strikes out the side in the 4th. Lester was nearly perfect in this game. Bottom of the 5th, some offense for Boston. Jason Bay, a wicked awesome 2-run single down to left field. Dustin Pedroia, Jacoby Ellsbury score. It's 4-0 Red Sox. Top of the 6th, Lester gets Chris Davis. Bottom of the 6th now, David Ortiz, something you don't see every day. A home run from Big Papi, his 2nd of the year. This one off the pesky pole. It's 5-0 Red Sox. Later in that inning, Kevin Youkilis at the dish. He takes this one, lines it off the back of the Green Monster. In left field, Rocco Baldelli will score as the throw comes in. Ian Kinsler can't handle it. That allows Pedroia to score. It's 8-0 Boston. Back to Lester.
To left center field, and this is going to get in. To the track and the wall, and it is Michael Young who breaks up the no-hit bid tonight for Jon Lester.
Michael Young breaks up the perfect game in the top of the 7th, but Lester would get the complete game as he gets Nelson Cruz to fly out to center field to end it. Lester was brilliant, so close to a perfect game. Lester had 2 hits, 11 strikeouts. He had back-to-back starts with 10 or more strikeouts. Like we said, had the perfect game going into the 7th, but the Red Sox still get the win 8-1.